Hello everyone. In this quick video I want to explain the setup of timers with HaxBot. So first of all, how the timer works. You can have personal timers and you can have tribe timers or Discord timers, however you want to call it. First of all, I'm going to the tribe timers, which you can customly reset, give a custom name and so on. So I'm going to create a new channel for the dashboard. Timer dashboard. To enable this channel, with the modules command, you will see there's a timer dashboard. If you want to enable it, you can have it only enabled in one channel. You're going to go enable timer dashboard. I just copied that because I'm lazy. Once that's enabled, it will show you the list of current timers. At the same time, I'm gonna make another channel, or you can keep it in the same channel, to enable the module timers. So you can enable it in this same channel, or you create another channel, because you don't want to have people posting in that same channel or whatever reason you have. So timer reset, I'm just going to enable timers. That's for that part. In order to set up a timer, there is the following setup. If you don't remember the commands whatsoever, it should be that if you go add timer, it will show you the command. I'm in the wrong channel. In order to add a timer, you also need to have timers enabled, so I'm going to do that here in that channel. Here, once you just add timer, it will fail and give you this right syntax. So you do add timer, and then you can give the timer a name. So let's say generator tower 01. I don't know. You set the minutes, so how long the timer usually runs. In my case, I'm just gonna do it for tutorial purposes. I just do 1 minute, so you can also see what's happening. Then you can also do a command which you can use to customly reset that timer. Usually I put a dot before, so T01, or you can just call it T01, or however you want to call it. I'm just going to call it .T01, and you also can add people to mention once it hits. You can do add here. You can also put multiple in, so I'm going to put myself in there. Once that's done, you just hit enter and it will add the timer for you. Once that's added, it should show up in a second in the timer dashboard. And as you see, it refreshes every 2 or 3 seconds, maybe sometimes also 4. It shows you the time what's left here. Now we're at 45 seconds. Once it hits, we will just wait what happens. Alright, here you can see that the timer hit and it mentioned myself. So once the timer hits, it's gonna be ticked. In that case, someone is expected to do something. It also shows the channel where you can reset it with the command T01. Means when I go now in my timer channel, my timer reset channel, I just type in that keyword what I previously specified. It will react with a thumbs up if it's done. Once that's done, you will see back in the timer dashboard that it started to run again. That's pretty much it. You can set up as much timers as you like. What's maybe worth to mention, if you want to keep your timer dashboard channel clear, for that you can use the keep clear, which you can enable with keep clear minus minutes. You maybe want to have a appropriate time for the minutes, maybe 60, or you can also do 100 or something else. In my case, for tutorial purpose, I'm just going to do 1 minute, which means it deletes every message which is older than 1 minute from now's timestamp. In that case, it also won't delete the messages from HaxBot which are modified constantly. So it will only delete these and these, nothing else. So your dashboard will be always there. Let's see what happens after 1 minute when I enable it. You should be able to see in any second that it will delete all the other messages. Oh, good example. The bot has no permission to manage messages. Means if you want the bot to clear the messages, you also need to give it permissions to manage messages. So I'm just going to do that really simple. I just give it to everyone, which is manage messages. Close that, and then I'm gonna enter that command again since it deleted it. Now let's wait another minute and let's see what happens. So it suddenly deleted all the messages, and the only thing what's left, it's the current timers, which you can, as previously said, reset by just entering that command. You can also have multiple timers. Let's say we have turret tower 02, you have also minute, and you call it TO2. And I'm gonna just mention myself here, which is fine. And then once added, it will also show in the timer dashboard in any second. Yeah, there we go, and it runs already as well. So that's it about setting up timers and the usage. Let me know if you have any questions.